Good morning students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine and healthy. Yes, so welcome to my online class. Yes, in previous class I had explained you exercise 7th B, yes, of chapter number 7 fraction. Now today I am going to teach you exercise 7th C, yes. So I hope all of you understood that topics, yes, of exercise A and B. With that, I hope you also completed your written work in your maths notebook in beautiful handwriting and carefully. Yes, so I hope no mistakes are there in your copies. Now, today I am back with one more interesting topic of fraction. Yes, in that first I will explain you about writing fractions and then we will do exercise 7th C. So, let's start. Now today I am going to teach you writing fractions. How we will write the fraction. In previous exercise question number B, A and B I had explained you, but one more thing I want to explain you, so we will do this. Writing fractions. A fraction is written with two numbers. Okay students, we will write this fraction with two numbers na? Yes or no? Yes, you can see this 7 upon 13. So there are two numbers na? Yes, with them what we do? We arrange one above the other. Yes, one is above. You can see one is above and other one is after the line segment. Yes. So arrange one above the other and separated by a line segment. Both numbers are, first we do this number and then this is line segment, students. This line is called line segment. Yes, and another number we will write like this. So these both numbers are separated with this line segment. Okay, the number above the line segment is called the numerator. Students, the number above means, in Hindi you can say above means jo upar hai. Okay, this is the above number, so it is called as numerator. What we call it? It is numerator. Okay, then the number below the line, the number below, this is the below. Yes, this is the below. Below means in Hindi niche. Okay, below the line segment, this is line segment, student. Yes, this is the above number. 7 is the above number and the below number is 13. Okay, so the number below the line segment is called the denominator. So what we call to this number? Denominator. Okay, it is denominator. So for example, in the fraction 4 upon 5, the numerator is, what is the numerator? Tell me. This is the numerator because it is above the line segment. This is above the line segments, that is why it is called as, what we call it? Numerator. Okay, and then this 5 is denominator. Why denominator? Because it is below the line segment, that's why it is denominator. Okay, so for example, in the fraction 4 upon 5, the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 5. So I hope you understand now. The number which is above the line segment is called numerator. Yes, and the number which is below the line segment is called denominator. Okay, जो भी लाइन के ऊपर नंबर होता है उसे हम कहेंगे न्यूमरेटर और जो लाइन के नीचे होगा उसे हम कहेंगे डिनोमिनेटर और इस लाइन को हम लाइन सेगमेंट कहेंगे. ओके, नाउ सिमिलरली जैसे कि in 9 upon 13, you can see 9 upon 13, so 9 is the numerator. Why 9 is numerator? Because it is above the line. Okay, and 13 is denominator. Why it is denominator? Because it is below the line and this line is called as line segment. Okay, is 9, the numerator is 9 and the denominator is 13. Okay, so I hope now your this concept of numerator and denominator is cleared. Yes, one thing is there, we will read. This is, remember, the numerator is the number of parts being considered. Okay, in Hindi I will explain you. The numerator is the number of part being considered. Considered means जो भी नंबर हमें considered करना है. For example हमने एक पाई बनाया है, yes, और इसमें हमने 4 पार्ट्स कर दिए हैं. ओके, तो जो भी हमें कंसिडर्ड करना है, यानी जो भी हमने, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम शेडेड पोर्शन के लिए जाते हैं तो दिस इज शेडेड पोर्शन. ओके, तो ये जो हमने शेडेड पोर्शन कर दिया, ये क्या हुआ, हमने जो कंसिडर्ड करा है. ओके, तो वो वाले नंबर हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, ये जो कंसिडर्ड नंबर है. ओके, देन द डिनोमिनेटर. अब डिनोमिनेटर में कौन से नंबर हम लिखेंगे? द डिनोमिनेटर इज द नंबर ऑफ इक्वल पार्ट्स इनटू विच द होल इज डिवाइडेड. यानी कि जब हम इन सारे पार्ट्स को काउंट करते हैं 1 2 3 4, तो इन सारे पार्ट्स को हम यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं. तो ये जो सारे पार्ट्स, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स होते हैं, वो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, जिसे हम क्या कहेंगे? डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, और ये जो हम जिसे कंसिडर्ड कर रहे हैं, ये शेडेड पोर्शन भी हो सकता है या अनशेडेड पोर्शन भी हो सकता है. ओके, वॉट एवर दे आस्क. ओके, दिस इज द कंसिडर्ड पार्ट, सो इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? न्यूमरेटर. Okay students, you will learn this. Okay, learn this, numerator or denominator. The numerator is the number of part being considered. Okay, and the denominator is the number of equal parts into which the whole is divided. जिसमें से ये whole जो है वो divided किया जाता है, उसे हम denominator कहेंगे. Okay students, now come on exercise 7th C. Okay, so you will take out your copy students, exercise 7c. You will write today's date here. Okay, so write the numerator and denominator of the following fractions. अब हमें यहाँ पे fractions दिए हुए हैं और हमें अब इनके numerator और denominator को अलग अलग करके लिखना है. We have to classify or we have to write the numerator in this numerator column and denominator in denominator column. You can write use essential as n and d. आप इसको short में n और d भी कह सकते हैं या लिख सकते हैं. Okay, in your book also you can see there are columns. Yes, so you will do like this. Now first one, a 3 upon 5. Okay, so first of all what we will do, first you will write here numerator, and then after this line segment the below number will be denominator. So what we will do, this 3 we will write here, it is numerator, and then this 5 we will write in this column, that is denominator. Students, हमें हमेशा याद रखना है कि जो भी ऊपर जो नंबर होगा वो न्यूमरेटर होगा और जो नीचे वाला होगा जो डिनोमिनेटर होगा. ओके, डिनोमिनेटर के जो नंबर्स होते हैं ये इक्वली सारे, जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स जो होंगे वो ये होंगे जो कि डिनोमिनेटर होता है, और न्यूमरेटर वो नंबर होता है जिसे हम कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. ओके, जितने भी पार्ट्स को हम अनशेडेड है या शेडेड है, उन पार्ट्स को हम कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, वो नंबर जो होगा वो न्यूमरेटर में होगा. आपको बस इतनी बात ध्यान रखनी है. ओके, नाउ कम ऑन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, b 9 upon 15. तो सेम यू कैन राइट दिस शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑल्सो, n and d. So 9 is n and 15 is d, so you will write like this, 9 in numerator, 15 in denominator. Then c 8 upon 21, so 8 in numerator and 21 in denominator. 7 in numerator, 27 in denominator. Okay, then question number last, e 10 upon 25, so we will write 10 is numerator, then 25 is denominator. Now come on our next question of the same exercise, that is exercise 7c, question number 2. Write the following as fractions. n is equals to numerator and d is equals to denominator. Students, now what we have to write in question number 1, what we had done, these numbers are given and we have to find out which number is numerator and which number is denominator. Now here in question number 2 we have to write this fraction here. Okay, here numerator and denominator is given and we will write fraction for it. Okay, so we will do n is equals to 7. So 7 means n will always, we will write it above the line segment. line के ऊपर लिखेंगे हमेशा हम किसे, न्यूमरेटर को, ओके। और लाइन के नीचे कौन रहेगा? डिनोमिनेटर, दैट इज 13, ओके। सो दिस इज n and this is d, okay. Here question number B, n is equals to 3, so we will write n here 3 and then d is 14. So after line segment or below line segment we will write it 14. Then C, n is equals to 8, d is equals to 29. So n 8 we will write here, okay, above the line segment, and then 29 below the line segment, that is 8 29th, okay. Then 9 is equal to 6, d is equals to 17th. So we will write 6 17th, okay, 6 upon 17th. So I hope students you understand this topic nicely, okay. Students, do practice of all these exercises, okay. Whichever we are doing na, please do the practice, otherwise you will forget all the things, okay. So be in touch with all these things and complete this work in your maths notebook in beautiful handwriting with correct spellings, with correct numbers, okay, and write carefully, okay student. So thanks for this class, meet you in next class, good day.